Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Ilsiya, just call me Ilsi. My last name is Latsipova. I'm 22. I'm a student and I study at Beshkek State Pedagogical University. My major is foreign languages. I study English and French. I live in a dormitory because my family lives far away from Ufa and they live in Siberia. So I have a large family, my parents, my three brothers and me. I'm caring daughter and sister. I have always helped my mother to take care of my brothers and dad. I am open-minded, hardworking and good person. I am reliable and try to do all my tasks in time. As for my interest, I am fond of dancing. I like playing football and basketball, and also I am good at cooking. I am sure I will be of great use in US camp because I have all the necessary skills and a great desire to do my best there. See you in America. Bye.